This is crazy. Like, as I'm analyzing these meme coins, I'm using AI to help me with the analysis, and it's going to be able to look through some of these figures way better than I will. It'll be fully objective when it comes to analyzing this stuff. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT when it comes to trading meme coins. So let me show you how to set all of this up. Step 1, make sure you're signed up to Axiom. If you've not used it before, it's one of the best meme coin trading bots out there. So first link in description, you can sign up. Once you click on that, follow the steps to start trading. And then you'll come to a dashboard like this. If you click on the top left on Pulse, these are all new launch meme coins. So how do we incorporate AI with this now? In real time. So literally, so AI is actually watching the same screen you're watching. When you click on one of these, it's literally looking at the charts and analyzing with you. So the way you do that, if you're already using ChatGPT, come to your chatgpt.com and you'll see it on the left hand side, or just Google ChatGPT Atlas, and then you can actually download it. Now this is a browser you can download. It's already available for macOS, and I think quite soon it'll be available for Windows as well. And it's a built-in browser. And once you've downloaded, it will open like this. And then in here, you can literally type in any URL. So obviously you can go straight to Axiom, and you can actually go to any perps trading platform or meme coin trading platform. It doesn't matter. So once you're back on Axiom, if you scroll to the top, you'll see in the top right hand corner a button that says Ask ChatGPT. So you should see that now if you're logged in via Atlas, this new browser, which by the way I think is going to be one of the most used browsers in the coming months and years. So click on Ask ChatGPT, and now the chatbot opens, and here you can ask anything. So let's test it out in real time. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of these that are trending meme coins at the moment. Let's go for one with a slightly higher market cap. So if we zoom out to a higher time frame, let's do a 1 minute time frame. That should give us enough data there. It can actually see this chart. So I can actually type on it here now. For example, where would be ideal places to buy the dip on this chart? So it can see that I'm using 1 minute candles. It can see the name of the meme coin, and it can read where the support zones are, local high, etc. And you can see it gives me potential buying and selling zones. But remember, these are prompts. The output of ChatGPT or any AI tool is only as good as the inputs and the prompts. So I've said give it more basic guidance, clear market cap entry points, and now it will give me market cap entry points that I could potentially use. But I believe that if you're using AI for this, you want it to feed it as much data as possible. So here I would add indicators. So I've added here volume, I've added RSI, I've added MACD. So I've asked it, look at volume momentum indicators. How's this meme doing? Do you think it's over? Just ask it, see what it says. You can see it's got the numbers for the holders. Obviously, there's no rug pull risk. I mean, you know, a lot of these are pump fund meme coins anyway. So you're not going to get honeypots or anything like that. And you can see in a verdict, it's given me like an overall picture here. It says momentum actually decent, volume okay. And it says if it fails below 320, it's likely to die off. So if giving you an idea there. And the thing is, you can scroll down here and you can start having a look at the bubble maps or the holders. And as long as it can see that information, then it can analyze that information. For example, all the token info here, it can see. So you could ask it, for example, I asked it, can you see bundle percentage, insiders, bubble maps? It can see all of this stuff and it can analyze. Guys, this helps in so many different ways. Let me just begin. Remember, this is very early days in AI when it comes to trading anyway. AI has been obviously around for many, many years, but in terms of this iteration, it's very recent. That's your meme coin chart, standard. Like on most meme coins, especially new launch meme coins. Pumps for a bit, don't know always how long. Could be a few seconds to a few minutes to a few hours, and then it completely dies off. Everybody forgets about it. And then a very small percentage go for a second wave and a third wave, as I've discussed many, many times on my channel. Where does AI come into all this? Several different things, especially if you're new or an intermediate trader. When you're using these tools on Axiom and you have all of these numbers and data points, first of all, it assists you in terms of explanation. It explains what these different things are if you've never used them before. So it's a handy assistant. Secondly, it does the analysis for you, so you don't have to. It can analyze momentum indicators, volume profiles, stuff like that. So it can give you an idea of what this means. So you're less likely to make mistakes when you're doing your own analysis. And the next thing, if you really hone in on the prompts, you can train it, you can use ChatGPT's agent builder. It can actually do a lot of the rug checks and stuff for you instantly when you open something new. So again, you don't make any mistakes. And not only can it check for rugs, it can potentially identify ones where the meme might be quite decent. It might be something with a little bit more potential. And again, it's doing all of this very, very quickly. So it's saving you time, reducing mistakes, and hopefully improving your trading. Because the thing with AI is there's no emotion in it either. There's no emotion when it comes to any of this analysis. It's all completely objective. And at the moment, this is where I see it. It's assisting at the moment. But it won't be far. We're not far from when it's literally doing the trading for you. And that's why you have to be involved in these things very, very early. Like the ones who will win with AI trading are the ones who get into it very, very early, learn it. Only need a tiny edge. You don't need a massive edge when it comes to trading. You should know that now, those of you who have traded for a while. Like 50% is a coin flip. If you're winning 60% of trades and you've got 2-to-1 risk to reward, you're already ahead of most. So all the time, that's what you're doing here. That's what you're developing. Now, I've been using AI for last few years, but I've only really pushed it when it comes to trading recently because it just wasn't ready a year or two ago. There are loads of these no-code tools where you have to learn all sorts of weird and wonderful automations and still use a little bit of coding. We weren't there yet. We are there now. As my channel is crypto focused, I've actually created a new channel called Agent Labs. So if you want to learn more when it comes to the world of AI, especially making money with AI and AI where it links to trading, please follow me there because I'm going to be releasing quite a few new videos. On my other YouTube channel there, I'm going to show you literally how to build these out. These can help not only when it comes to trading, but in research, just researching what crypto coins are hot at the moment, what's moving right now, just to try and find signals early before you've got like thousands of calls talking about it on X and then it's kind of too late anyway. These agents will pick up early kind of volume breakouts. So I've linked that channel below if you're interested in joining. I'm just going to link this with you as well. This chart of Bitcoin on Mexi. Now, whichever trading exchange you're using, have a good look at it again. If you've not used it in a while or not really looked around the buttons, you'll find a lot of them actually have AI buttons now. This is at the moment kind of general analysis, posts online, stuff like that. But eventually it's going to be more AI focused. And they're going to incorporate this. And if you click on all of these different tabs, you'll see they're still using the very, very basic indicators at the moment. It's very, very archaic. So you, as an individual trader, you can make the most of it yourself. And the good thing is you can actually find, you don't have to create your own prompts. If you find somebody using really, really good prompts when it comes to trading, for example, Memecoins, you can just copy and paste that prompt. The value, the strength is in the prompt. In case you're new to AI, what do I mean by prompt? I mean the thing you're asking here, the question you're asking here in the bottom right. The question you're asking the AI, that is the prompt. So I think automated AI trading is the way we're headed. But for sure, if I come across any new developments, you'll hear it here first. So make sure you're subscribed and I'll catch you in the next one soon. Thanks for listening.